I know that I need an EIN, an employer identification number for my new company because I'm going to have a new employee. How do I get that number? Very, very good question. Now it's relatively easy to do that. The IRS makes it really easy, and I'm going to go to another form here on the IRS site if I can do that. But basically you fill out IRS form SS4, also relatively easy form. You can go straight to mahalo.com to download this form, or it's also available right on irs.gov. But the SS4 form basically has name and address, the name of your company. It asks you questions about whether or not you're going to have an employee, what type of entity you're going to have, when you expect to pay wages, and then they just want you to sign it. That's pretty easy. Now the great news is the IRS makes it very easy to get that EIN number. You still need to fill out this form. So the first step is download the form, fill it out. You can actually call the IRS. Their number is in the instructions to this form, and they'll give you the EIN number right over the phone. Now when you talk to the IRS, they're going to say, do you have the SS4 in front of you? You say yes. Is it filled out? You say yes, and the IRS agent's actually going to ask you questions right off this form. They're going to say, what do you have on line 1? What do you have on line 2? Is there anything different on line 4A? They're going to ask you all those questions. You just answer the questions, and at the end they're going to put you on hold, believe it or not. Always good to call the IRS and get put on hold. They're going to put you on hold, going to come back in a few seconds, and you'll have your EIN number. Really, really slick. They also have a brand new right online. You can fill out all that information and submit right online and get your EIN back in an email. So really cool. Or if you're old-fashioned, you can certainly put it in an envelope, mail it off, fax it to them, and they'll send you a nice little piece of paper in a couple of weeks with your EIN. But once you get that EIN, they'll also send you all of the paperwork that you'll need for reporting the wages for your new employee. So that's also very important as well. So you don't have to worry about those next forms, your payroll tax return forms, your payroll tax coupon deposit forms, all of that paper that the IRS needs us to have, they'll put you on that mailing list once you get this EIN form. So very good question. I'm glad you asked that. So hopefully that gives you a way to get the EIN. Pretty cool.